We go to the tiebreakers. Teresa better get the rules out on that one. Hey, drop it. Come on up here for a second, will you? Or Dave Breen, can you come up here for me? Thanks. First attempt at 7 feet. First attempt at 7 feet. Well, Grant, so you understand the strategy. You're down to 2 dogs. You cannot pass. There's no passing when there's only 2 dogs left. That means if he misses, all the pressure goes to George. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have a successful